If you've ever owned a Toyota, you know the legend is real. These cars just don't quit. But some Toyotas take it to the next level. We're talking about vehicles that keep going past 300,000 miles with nothing more than basic maintenance. In this video, we're counting down 10 Toyota cars that truly last a lifetime, even without a warranty. These are the models mechanics trust, owners love, and buyers still search for in 2025. Let's kick things off with a no-nonsense legend. 2014 Toyota Corolla LE. The Toyota Corolla doesn't just have a good reputation, it practically defines reliability. And the 2014 Corolla LE is one of the most bulletproof models ever made. This generation introduced a refreshed design with a more modern look. But what really matters is under the hood. A 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Toyota's CVT transmission. It's simple, efficient, and engineered to run forever. You won't find turbochargers, complicated electronics, or high-maintenance features. And that's exactly why it lasts. Inside, it's surprisingly roomy for a compact car, with good headroom and decent tech for its age. You get Bluetooth, a touchscreen, and solid build quality. Nothing fancy, just everything you need. The best part? You can still find clean 2014 Corollas for under $10,000 in most places, and they're often owned by people who've done every oil change on time. It's the kind of car you buy, drive every day, and barely think about, because it just works. 2015 Toyota Avalon XLE. When people think of reliable Toyotas, they usually think small. But the 2015 Avalon proves that full-size comfort can also mean full-time durability. Under the hood, you get a tried-and-true 3.5-liter V6 engine with 268 horsepower. No turbos, no gimmicks, just smooth, reliable performance that's been proven in everything from the Camry to the Highlander. Owners report these engines going well past 300,000 miles with minimal repairs, and they're still running like new in 2025. What really sets the Avalon apart is how refined it feels. It's like owning a Lexus without the badge or the price tag. You get leather seats, a quiet cabin, dual-zone climate control, and a spacious back seat that makes this sedan perfect for long highway drives or family trips. Mechanics often say the Avalon is one of the most overbuilt cars Toyota ever made. It doesn't break because it was never designed to be pushed to the limit. It was designed to last quietly and comfortably. And that's exactly what it does. If you want something that rides smooth, looks sharp, and refuses to die, the Avalon XLE is the move. 2013 Toyota Prius 2. Say what you want about hybrids. The 2013 Prius has proven everyone wrong by being one of the most reliable vehicles of the last 2 decades. In fact, many Prius owners are clocking over 300,000 miles on the original battery and engine with zero major issues. The secret? A 1.8-liter hybrid engine that's been refined to near perfection. No turbo, no CVT problems. Just a brilliant combo of electric and gas that sips fuel and shrugs off the years. This generation of Prius was built like a tank in terms of engineering. Toyota didn't try to overcomplicate things. They focused on making it efficient, simple, and long-lasting. And it paid off. Today, the 2013 Prius is still one of the lowest maintenance cars on the used market. You'll also get great cargo space, a futuristic dash layout, and the quiet, smooth ride that hybrids are known for. It may not look like a muscle car, but when it comes to saving you money and lasting for decades, it's a beast. And the best part? These are everywhere. You can find gently used models at affordable prices, and the fuel savings alone might pay for the car in a few years. 2017 Toyota Camry LE. If you ask a mechanic, a taxi driver, or even your grandma what car never breaks, they'll probably say the Toyota Camry. And the 2017 Camry LE might be the best version yet. This was the final year of the Camry's ultra-reliable XY50 generation, which is widely known as one of the most dependable mid-size sedans ever made. It came with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 178 horsepower. And the transmission? A classic six-speed automatic. No CVT, no dual clutch. Just old-school reliability that never quits. These Camrys are built with quality parts, easy-to-find replacement components, and bulletproof mechanical systems. It's not rare to see one hit 350,000 miles with basic maintenance. Inside, it's practical and roomy, with just enough tech. Bluetooth, a touchscreen, and backup camera. All easy to use and rarely buggy. It's not trying to be flashy, it's just showing up every single day, year after year. And in 2025, the demand for these is actually going up. People are realizing that modern cars with too many sensors and screens break more often, and the Camry stays simple, solid, and smart. This is the kind of car you buy once and drive until your grandkids inherit it. 2016 Toyota Highlander XLE. Need space, comfort, and a vehicle that refuses to quit? The 2016 Toyota Highlander XLE might just be the perfect SUV that does it all, and keeps doing it for decades. This model comes with Toyota's legendary 3.5-liter V6 engine. The same power plant found in many Lexus models. It's smooth, strong, and built for endurance. With proper care, Highlanders from this generation regularly pass 300,000 miles with no major repairs. And they stay quiet and refined while doing it. The 2016 Highlander is also one of the last years before Toyota added too much tech complexity. That means you get reliability without frustration. No glitchy infotainment, no overloaded sensors, just everything you need to drive comfortably and confidently. Inside, you'll find seating for up to 8, leather upholstery, a sunroof, navigation, heated seats, and tri-zone climate control. The XLE trim especially hits that sweet spot between family functionality and executive comfort. It's the kind of SUV you can pass down in the family, or take across the country without thinking twice. Whether you're hauling kids, camping gear, or just cruising through your commute, the Highlander is built to handle it all. 2014 Toyota Tacoma SR5. Let's be real, no Toyota list is complete without the Tacoma. And the 2014 SR5 model? It's a legend, built with a 2.7-liter four-cylinder or a rock-solid 4.0-liter V6. This truck was made to take a beating and keep going. Whether you're towing, off-roading, or just daily driving, Tacomas from this era are famous for one thing: lasting forever. It's not uncommon to see them with over 400,000 miles and still climbing. Owners swear by the 5-speed manual or 5-speed auto transmissions in these trucks. No CVTs, no nonsense. Everything was made with simplicity and strength in mind. The 2014 Tacoma might not be flashy inside, but it's comfortable, practical, and durable. You get rugged cloth seats, easy-to-clean surfaces, and Toyota's early Entune touchscreen with Bluetooth. Just enough tech, not too much. The resale value? Insane. These trucks barely depreciate because demand is always sky-high. Whether you're on a job site or a mountain trail, a Tacoma is your loyal companion that won't quit. And that's exactly why it's still one of the smartest used buys in 2025. 2015 Toyota RAV4 XLE. Don't let the size fool you. The 2015 Toyota RAV4 is a compact SUV with a big-time reputation for reliability. This generation RAV4 runs on a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that's been one of Toyota's most consistent and dependable powertrains. It's fuel-efficient, easy to maintain, and doesn't come with any of the complicated turbo tech that breaks down later. The XLE trim brings solid features like a sunroof, dual-zone climate control, backup camera, and a touchscreen infotainment system. Everything you need for a smooth, comfortable ride without overwhelming you. But what really makes this RAV4 special is its balance. It's small enough for city driving, roomy enough for family trips, and tough enough to handle all seasons. It's that rare sweet spot between practicality and longevity. In 2025, these models are still being snatched up fast, and for good reason. They require minimal repairs, sip fuel, and just keep going. 2013 Toyota Sequoia Platinum. Need something massive that's still incredibly reliable? The 2013 Sequoia Platinum is Toyota's answer to the full-size SUV world. And it's a beast. Under the hood sits a 5.7-liter V8 engine with 381 horsepower, the same engine used in the Tundra. This thing is built to haul, tow, climb, and carry. And it'll do it all for 300,000 miles or more with proper care. The Platinum trim gives you everything: adaptive air suspension, leather seating for 7 or 8, rear seat entertainment, navigation, and a premium JBL sound system. It's basically a luxury apartment on wheels, but built like a military tank. Despite its size, the Sequoia is known for having a surprisingly low cost of ownership over the long haul. The engine is overbuilt, parts are widely available, and the problems? Minimal. If you've got a big family or just love the space and power of a full-size SUV, this is the rare forever car that checks every box, and then some. 2016 Toyota 4Runner SR5. Talk to any off-roading enthusiast or outdoor adventurer, and they'll tell you the same thing. The 4Runner doesn't die, especially the 2016 SR5 model. This SUV is powered by a 4.0-liter V6 engine and rides on a true body-on-frame construction, something most modern SUVs abandoned long ago. That gives it serious durability and a tougher feel that's made for rough roads, snow, mud, and rocky trails. The SR5 trim keeps it clean and focused. You get rugged cloth or optional leather seats, off-road traction control, a touch-screen infotainment system, and Toyota's active traction control, making it ideal for both city commutes and mountain trails. And here's what's crazy. You'll find 4Runners from this generation that have passed 500,000 miles, still climbing, with nothing more than oil changes and basic service. It's basically the Land Cruiser Light. In 2025, the used 4Runner market is still hot, because when you buy one, you're not just getting an SUV. You're getting a long-term partner that laughs at the idea of breaking down. 2015 Toyota Venza XLE. The Toyota Venza might have flown under the radar back when it launched, but now? It's one of the most sought-after crossovers on the used market, especially the 2015 XLE. This car blends the comfort of a sedan with the utility of an SUV. It's powered by a choice of a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder or a silky 3.5-liter V6, both of which are known for being extremely low maintenance and durable. No turbochargers, no fancy gearboxes, just proven Toyota powertrains. Inside the Venza XLE, you get leather seating, a panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, heated seats, and a high-riding view of the road. It's like driving a Lexus, but without the high repair bills or dealership service costs. What makes the Venza a smart buy in 2025 is how simple and efficient it is. It's not trying to be futuristic. It's just well-built, elegant, and made to last. Many owners report going over 250,000 miles without anything major going wrong. If you want a crossover that feels premium, drives like a dream, and lasts longer than most new cars, the 2015 Venza deserves a serious look.